Hi. Sorry, I didn't realize that my thing cut out, so I don't know where I was, but I'm now on question 6. So which of the following statements are correct? Select all. No bear contact with video. I don't know if that one's true. Okay, that was correct. Which of these are not part of the procedures to follow when using gloves? Gloves do not replace that. That is correct. Wear gloves without washing your hand. Nope. Disposable glove can wash. Nope. Wash hands before putting on gloves. Nope. Dispose of gloves as soon as you remove them. Use clean. You're ready to handle ready-to-eat foods. Single-use gloves should not be used on. Yep. Can nope. Void. Single-use gloves should not be used. That is repeated. I don't know if you want that to be repeated, but that one is repeated. Fabric or reusable gloves may not be used with ready-to-eat food. Yeah. Gloves are just susceptible because they're described as water damage. Yeah. Which one did I get wrong? Okay, so I got that one. Oh, which of these are not part of the procedures to follow when using gloves? I would go back and bold the not or capitalize it. That's my fault because I did not pay attention to that, but that might help future students. That's my bad. Keep refrigerated food and haha. No, wait, refrigerated. 0 degrees Celsius? No, that's not freezing. I don't know Celsius. I have no idea. 10? 4. Oh, wow, I was way off. Okay. Yeah, I did not get good on that one. Okay. Haha. Preventing contamination while serving. Okay. Serving safe food. Oh, there's lots of little dots. Oh, they're recordings.
Food should be held at proper temperatures until everyone is seated and ready to be served. Food that has been on tables cannot be offered to participants at other tables or at other meals. The participants and adult supervisors must wash their hands before.
That's good. Write the dates and meals, which one is important because it allows us to know how much and we have to use damage. So you avoid getting sick and making children sick. Guess when should we when we should, not should we, when we should or should not mark the date. So guess when we should or should not mark the date. Held for more than 24 hours? I don't really understand that question. I'm confused right now. I don't really know what to do. I would reword that because I don't really understand what you're asking. 24 hours marking required. After the original container is opened and held under refrigeration. No, because that has it marked. That's cool. Prepared on site, yeah. Ready to eat. No. No, you do have to mark it on ready to eat. Potentially hazardous. Well, yeah. Oh, so they're all 5. Huh. How to date mark the food. Mark the date by which the food is to be consumed or discarded. Food can be held for 7 days. Days of preparation or day commercially processed food is over. It's day 1. Ready to eat food. Sometimes ready to eat food is frozen. Mark. I might at some point define what ready to eat food is, because I'm confused by that. Like, I don't know what that means. And so I don't really know how to answer that because I don't know what that is. When I think ready to eat food, I think like a bowl of food that I'm about to eat. That's like on my table. But I feel like I'm wrong. They prepared, used by initials. Whole foods quickly and safely. It's in a good video. I like that. Here's where you set the stage for the learner. One idea is to introduce an employee who's questioning their new growth opportunities available and needs the learner advice. I don't understand. I think that you've meant to take this out and forgot, or you meant to put something here, because this looks like a prompt. That looks like a prompt. So I would either take that out or put something there, because I don't feel like that's supposed to be empty. I want to make sure that when you are learning, what you are learning is okay. Safe and clean facilities. Oh, pretty picture. Okay, dishwashing procedures. Yes. Scraping and rinsing, washing, rinsing, sanitizing, air drying. Continue. Except to avoid pests in the center. They carry diseases and can contaminate the food. Toxic materials. The kids are around the kitchen sometimes. Some items can be poisonous or toxic. Store, label, and use. Stop separately from food and food contacts. Never stock above food or food contact services. All chemical containers use only approved chemicals in food areas. Quiz from lesson 3 and 4 module. What should I write when date marking period? Date prepared, name of item, date by which food is to be consumed or discarded. Haha, yay. Reheating in steam tables and crock pots is safe and recommended. Ooh, I did not watch that part. True? Nope, false. Okay. Food prepared using an short room temperature must cool to 42? Is that what it is? 41. I was really close. I knew it was in the 40s. Reheat previously cooled foods to an internal temperature of, is it 180? I feel like that's a thing. 165. That was close. What was the correct order? Scraping and pre-rinsing, rinsing, washing, sanitizing, air drying. Oh no, it was washing, rinsing, sanitizing, and air drying? Darn. I knew it was one of those two. TCS need to move quickly through the to limit microbial. I have no idea. These answers were definitely in the thing, and I feel like if someone was taking notes and paying attention, they could definitely get this. I just kind of went through it quickly, so I don't remember. It's gonna write hello because I don't know. Temperature of danger. Oh, temperature danger zone. Okay. Food can be held for 7 days and 41. Yes. That was in there. I do remember that. Definitely not doing very good. Day preparation counts as. Oh, wait, no, that's true. Day of preparation. The day after preparation or day. Oh, I read that incorrectly. That's my bad. I'm reading these questions very poorly. You typed them well. I'm just reading them poorly. Which of these statements is not true? See, you capitalized, not there. About serving safe food. Which of these statements is not true about serving safe food? Must be clean and sanitized. Yep. Food that has been on tables. Yep. Food participants can return food from the pits. No, that's not true. Food should be held at proper temperatures until everyone is seated. Yep. Must wash their hands. Leftover food can be saved for another table. Nope. Must be served at an appropriate plate. Yay. Is there an example of that? Toxic materials should be stored separately from food. Protect outer openings to keep our things safe. Chemical containers must be labeled. Yay. I definitely did not do very good on these. Oh wow, I've worked at the center for 2 years. This is sad. Oh, I'm sorry, Olga. Case study, okay. Kate's a new employee. Help her make the right choices. Well, this is cool. I like this. I've just read to the kitchen and I have to prepare salad for the children. What should I do first? Well, wash your hands. So wash your hands. Continue. Time for the food. There is a spaghetti. I would say there is spaghetti. Take out the A. That should be eaten hot, and a salad that can be eaten cold. What should I check regarding the temperature of the food? Yay. I've been put chicken in a vessel. Such a what should I do with it? Throw it away, it has no expiration date. Yay. Cleaning products are just up to me to store them wet. Products came in a 5-gallon container. They're atomizers. What should I do? Scenario, yay! Click the link for the training. Yep, and they'll talk about that at the center too. I don't think that this is supposed to still be here, so I would either put something else there or take that out. I think that I'm done. Except for the fact that I failed all the tests. My bad. Yeah. I am complete. I guess the one thing that I'm still confused about is what do I do now that I'm complete? So I might put something at the end that tells them what they do. Because I'm a little confused about what to do at the end. There's nothing telling me what to do. Maybe you could have something at the end that's you're done, congratulations. Maybe take a screenshot of this page and send it to the boss. I have about a minute left of my screen recording before it's going to end me, so I will just give you some final thoughts on this. I think that this looks really, really good. I really like it. I think that it's very easy to follow and kind of move along with. There was just a few typos and a few things that you forgot to take out, I think, from the template. So I would either add things there or just take them out. But everything's really interactive and really colorful, and I like that a lot. And I like how you have audio and visual and matching and questions. Yeah, I really like this. I think it's really cool. You did an excellent job. Muchas gracias. Thanks for letting me do this, and I'm glad that I could help. Let me know if you need anything else.